3 Express, Savana vents, same principle. The parking brake cable needs to be replaced. The parking cable is in 4 sections. One comes from within the car, from where the pedal is, under the driver's seat, and somewhere right past the door. It stops, it has a connection, then it's a bare wire till about the rear tire, and then it will be a split of 2 wires connecting to one unit that go to each of the rear brakes. So we'll replace the left one. To try to disconnect the cable won't be easy because right now it's pretty tight. You won't be able to disconnect right here. This is where it connects the 2 cables from the rear together. The blue one is brand new, I just installed it. The purpose of this video is to explain how the cable wire works and how it releases. There will connect to the front. And to get the slug out and to get it loose a little bit, make sure the emergency brake is all the way up. So release from here, cables all the way up. Then we're going to go under the car. Okay, to release the cable wire, this part here is really tough to open, and out it is. Okay, now we're going to disconnect from here, and here is the other part of the cable for the rear. We'll have to disconnect from here, and now we have this cable loose. There's the bracket. We don't have to remove it, we just have to slide it backwards. And last, we will have to disconnect from behind the wheel. That's what it looks like. So now that it's separated from this part, the only thing remains, and out it is. So there is the rear driver side cable. Okay, the old cable is out, and this part here is the part that usually is getting rusted. We're just going to clip it on for now. Okay, we got that part. This is the other part that has the clip on it. Let it go in like that. Okay, the cable came from the back. This is the right side passenger side cable that will get into this bracket. And to fit in there. Okay, I'm gonna get this thing through. It clicked, it popped here, so this cable now is secure. And we have to bring the front piece to connect the two. This new cable will go in like that with the metal bracket to close. There's the cable, because right now it's pretty tight.